So today we're unboxing the Nike Supreme Dunks. These are pretty special. Picked them up, bought them for resale. Not happy about that, but we had to. So this pair here is the lows, and they sold out within, I think, 6 seconds or something like that. It was crazy fast how quickly they sold out. I tried on 5 different devices, still couldn't get them. So had to pay resale, pick them up. Came really pretty quickly, so I'm pretty happy about that. But I'm super excited to open these up, so we'll take a look. So unbox these. That's probably the best unboxing I've ever done. There we go. Open these up. And they come in a cream Nike SB box. Pretty simple, nothing too fancy about it. So here is a look at the label. You can see it here in the close-up. I got these in my true to size UK 9, and the colorway is black multicolour, but we'll take a close look, I guess. So we'll open these up. They do come with Nike Supreme paper. It's quite faint on the paper though, so you probably won't be able to see it, but it does say Nike and Supreme on the top. So we'll open this up, and here they are. Check these out. What do you think of these? Supreme is very well known for its collaborations, and this is no exception. This Nike SB Dunk is a collaboration between Supreme and Rammellzee. I think that's how you say it. Famous artist, and the upper shows off some of his work. So as you can see here, check out that upper. It is absolutely spectacular in my opinion. I think it looks so good. So they came out with a low and a high version. This is of course the low version in a black and that kind of like cream painted work on the upper as well, but the high, in my opinion, I think is nicer. So where you see the black parts on this low, it did actually come in a cream kind of suede material on the high one, which goes obviously higher up at the ankle. But I don't think they could have done a low on that because I think it's too close to the Paris Dunk, so they had to do the low in this black colorway, as you can see here. But I'm not complaining. I do like what they've done with the shoe, and I'm actually a big fan of this, and I do like the gum sole. That looks really cool as well. So I do have a fake pair as well. Got them really early so I can do the comparison super fast for you. I'll just be showing you what the differences are between a real and fake and what you should look for if you are trying to purchase this, because I think it's going to be a super popular shoe, and I think it's going to go up in price because it's just stunning. Look at that. I think it's so nice, and it actually really does remind me of the Paris Dunks, and I wish they did it in that kind of creamy version, but I do understand why they couldn't. So now I'll give you some close-up of the details. Obviously, you can see the Supreme shiny lace lock towards the front here, and then you can look at that colourful kind of canvas-like material on the toe box with a black outer edge going around. And then the swoosh is in a black material once again, and then you can see more of the artist's work going all the way around the shoe, which just looks really good in my opinion. I think the colours look really nice, and I actually do really like it on the high as well in that creamy material. But they've done a good job of this. So pre-laced, we do have standard black laces, which obviously blend in very nicely with the tongue, but you can see it does come with a set of spare laces in white if you want to mix things up. But I'm not really sure why they've done that. I think I would have liked it if it was a bit more cream or even a gum kind of colour, like a tanned brown. I think that would have looked nice as well, but they've only got the white spare laces and obviously no spare laces on the left shoe. So I will have to check if the pattern actually varies between sizes, because this is a UK 9, but the fake pair I have is also a UK 9, so they should be relatively similar, but we can check into that in the other video. Currently, the resale on these is about £310. I picked them up just after release for about 280, so I'm pretty happy with that. And it probably will drop a little bit just as people get their pairs in and try and sell them off quite quickly. But I do expect by Christmas time, this pair will probably rise just like the Jarritos. I think the price is going to go up because it's a pretty iconic shoe, and I really do like the colorway. It's clean, and it's probably one of the best Supreme Dunks. I think it's actually better than the Supreme, I'm going to call it the basic Panda one, you know, the one with the stars on the side. I think this one is a little bit more, and I do really like it. Let me know down below in the comments if you actually picked up the pair or managed to get through Supreme, because I'll comment back because that is impressive. I don't know anybody that managed to get through Supreme manually because it was gone so fast. I had them in my car, just didn't even go through. Don't know how, but I'm really happy I actually got these. Got them for a good price, I think, so it's all good. Another classic thing that doesn't get mentioned that much is obviously the insole being that Supreme red. It's probably not going to show up well on the camera, but the full insole is in that red Supreme with Supreme text going across it. I just think that's a nice little detail that they add to the SB Dunks. Really do like that on this pair as well. I probably liked a lot of things on the shoe, and I've probably said that a million times in this video, but in my opinion, they've done a good job. Really like it. But that is the end of the unboxing of the brand new Nike SB Supreme Dunks. Yeah, they did a good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.